Alright guys, thanks for checking in with Stormtopia.com and Stormtopia.com Facebook page. We have a storm update right now being recorded as of about 9:45 a.m. Friday, January 21st. Not a blockbuster winter storm here for the New England area, but enough to cause school closings and cancellations, and it's due to the timing here on a Friday morning. Obviously, basically moderate amounts of snow in the 4 to 8 inch range for most areas. We're going to get to amounts in just a bit. But here, if you take a look at the radar, you can see the back edge of the snow now pressing into central Massachusetts, the Hartford area. Still snowing heavily for eastern Massachusetts. Still snowing heavily in Boston, which has about 2 to 3 inches now. We're gonna at least get up to that 4 inches in Boston. Wayland, Boston, metropolitan suburbs of Boston have an average of 4 to 6 inches so far, and another inch or so on the way, so 4 to 8 inches should verify like I thought. We take a look at the radar imagery here in southern New England. You can see a couple features showing up. Eye of the storm, essentially, as the storm rapidly strengthens, making its way over Cape Cod right now. Heavy snow close to the eye, and now the eye pushes off to the northeast. That heavy snow is going to push off to the northeast as well, eventually ending up in down east Maine by the time we make our way out later today. And we take a look at the futurecast here. By the time we make our way out to 10 in the morning, most of the snow is wrapped up here for southern New England, and most of the heavy snow at least. Still snowing moderately in eastern portions of southern New England. By the early afternoon, here we are at 1 in the afternoon, the heaviest snow in the low pressure center has shifted well off to the northeast. Down east Maine is getting into heavy snow. That's the case for the rest of the afternoon into the early evening, 7 o'clock, and then it takes a little while for us to totally clear out the precipitation until around, I'd say, 10 or 11 for portions of Maine. Now, behind the storm, it's going to get very, very cold, obviously. More details on that coming up as we make our way past the storm. And there's actually the potential behind this to see a sunset here in the purple shaded areas. I thought I'd use purple because, you know, that's what the sunset is liable to look like with all the additional snow cover. And obviously behind it gets very cold. We're talking about another storm potential early next week. Could be a blockbuster, but it could be rain. Again, guys, details on all those threats coming up, so stay tuned to Stormtopia.com.